do is put your camera on there and shoot at it, because you'll never hit it.
Right, that would be good.
I know, but because you do that, we will hit it.
That's of course true.
Unlikely. Oh, you put safety on.
Oops.
Is there
Easy does it.
a bullet in the chamber?
Oh yeah, there is.
I believe so.
It's okay. That one comes down and you're off safety.
Wait.
Let us get in the next county, please.
Ready?
Roger that.
I thought the magazine release would be safety for a second.